Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to attach a file to your email on the Microsoft Outlook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the email button down below, which is the first option, and then click on the plus icon in the right side corner of the screen. Then after selecting the person to whom you would like to forward your message and typing in your subject and message, click on this second icon in the middle of the screen. Tap on attach file if you want to attach a file from your documents, and click on my files, documents, and tap on the relevant one that you would like to insert, and that's how you can insert a file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.